बच्चा है, ठीक है, पहले इसका ब्रेन को तोड़ता है, इसका दिमाग पहले तोड़ेगा ना, इसको आराम से जीत सकता है। और दिमाग वीक हो गया, मेरे को इंडिया के लिए जान लेने के लिए रेडी हूँ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
Let him up. Oh, stuck him. Oh, he hurt him with the side. He was beaten. His camp deject, of course.
The new MFN Bantamweight World Champion, Ravindra Khan!
Warrior spirit within him. He's got so much of fire. He's never going to quit. You can see he's gassed. You can see the reversal that happened there. It was seemed academic here. And the way he escaped, Ravindra Dutt just backed up and pulled out. I'm surprised Ravindra Dutt let him up. Oh, stuck him. Oh, he hurt him with that one. But man, what a chin on Changran Koran. He's still in it. But there's only so many shots that the human skull can take. Another big one. Another big hand. Ravindra Dutt opening up. Just missed a big shot. Oh, he's hurt. He's hurt. He's hurt. He's out. He is out. We have a new champion. Ravindra Dutt has pulled off the upset. And the Soma team is going batshit crazy
The
in front of
biggest
me.
upset in the history of
He
India.
saw it. He was beaten. His camp deject, of course.
Breaking stones for a living, to taking up MMA, and then finally knocking out Chungran Koran.
I mean-
Man, this is manifestation, nothing else.
I mean, you know,
you
I
work
never-
hard, you work hard, work in the right direction, have your right
Absolutely.
team, have the right team in place fighting Chungran Koran.
I mean, he
You know,
choked
it's like the Superman versus Superman.
Stellar performance.
Went to Pakistan. Ulumi earned it at MFN 10 after defeating Dhruv Chaudhary, and then later he had to vacate the title. And in the MMA history of Nepal, to be the first ever
I mean, I met his corner
fighter
and we
from
were,
Nepal to win a title at Matrix
Exactly.
Fight Night. Look at that! Look at
It's
that
great.
finish.
I
Drop
mean,
Chungran Koran.
there you go. That was
Oh,
the end.
Man.
It was over.
This
It was
is
over.
the biggest upset of the evening and the only knockout
Oh
that
yes,
we
you
see
got
at
your
MFN
knockout.
17.
You got your knockout.
We've been waiting for a knockout,
Man.
and Ravindra Dutt
My
does it
God.
in fashion.
It's the way he did it. He broke
Oh.
him down, and to do that to Changran Koran says something. That he came in with a game plan. They knew what they were doing.
Well, it could be
and they broke him
overconfidence
down.
as well.
No. You know what? Changran Koran is
I
such
mean, you
a
can't
solid
replace
fighter.
a skill with anything else.
It's not like it's you know it's not like Changran Koran. In his manner, he broke him down with a barrage of strikes over and over again. He tired him out. He hurt him constantly.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ref Mark Goldard called a stop to this fight after 54 seconds of round 3 for your winner by knockout and the new MFN Bantamweight World Champion, Ravindra Khan!
You know, I say this over and over again. They can, if there are
The
two
golden
title fights,
boy!
both champions will never retain. Never.
Let's
Never.
hear it for the champion, Ravindra! All right, that was a clinic. You're called one of the best fighters in Southeast Asia. You proved it today. What a fan following in there. Big round of applause for the entire Nepalese contingent that has come down. But you knew you had it. You didn't have much to prove. But coming into MFN and doing it like this, fantastic. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Thank you first of all. My team, Soma, Lock and Roll, Soma team, Coach Yusuf, Mike, thank you, Yuki here. Congratulations, Jack. You did a good job. And thank you, Tuesday. You support me a lot. When I into the Kathmandu, Nepal, काठमाडौँ गएदेखि मलाई चाहिँ धेरै सपोर्ट गर्नुभयो कि यहाँसम्म आउँदाखेरि जस्ट म ट्रेनिङ गर्छु फाइट खेल्छु त्यति हो ड्युज दाइले के गर्नुपर्ने हो, ट्रेनिङ कहाँ गर्नुपर्ने हो, कोचहरूसँग गर्नुपर्ने हो, कुराहरू कहाँ गर्नुपर्ने हो, स्पोन्सर कसरी मिलाउनु पर्ने हो, फाइट कहाँ खेल्दा ठिक होला, सबै यति धेरै गर्नुभएको छ। थ्याङ्क यू ड्युज दाइ। वर्डहरू छैन तर पनि लभ यु दाइ।
Rabindra, ladies and gentlemen, he deserves every bit of it. You got some more things? Yes.
Thank you, Susan. You support me a lot. And